European tarnished plant bug. European tarnished plant bug is a capsid that flies into crops. It has mouth parts that suck sap from plant cells. Adults are about 5 mm long, broad-bodied, dark brown red to black in colour, usually with a white V-shaped mark behind the head. They mainly feed in late season strawberry flowers, causing severely misshapen berries as they swell. The insect can also damage young shoots in cane fruit crops and stunt their growth. The trap is a green vein funnel trap plus lure with a water drowning reservoir.
Hello, I'm Chris Rose, and I'm going to show you how to construct a monitoring trap for the common European tarnished plant bug, also known as Lygus. In the box we have the base unit, 2 vanes, a basket for the lure, the top piece, the lure inside a sealed package, a stake to hold the trap in place, a fact sheet without any assembly instructions, and a record card for recording your catches. We need to take the vanes and put them on top of the base unit. One goes on top of the other, and the easiest way after putting them together is to take the bottom one and put that on first and securely push them into place. If you're finding it difficult to get them in place, you can just use a knife to pare it gently, but not too much. It needs to be a firm fit. Next, we take the top and locate onto the 4 lugs on the top of each vane, and again these need pushing firmly down. Next we take the basket, put that in the top and remove the lid. Now we're ready to take the lure. This needs to be cut open. Then take one of the lures out of the package. The rest need to be sealed and kept cool to keep them fresh. Place the lure into the basket and you need to push it between 2 of the ridges so that it completely goes in and you can put the lid on top. The trap is now ready to take to the field, but before it can be used, it needs to have 5 centimeters of soapy water put into the bottom of the base unit. 5 centimeters is about 3 of my fingers. To do that, we open up the base of the trap and pour the water in. We then put the top back on. The trap will be placed on the ground, and to secure it in place, we use this wire stake, which we place through one of the loops and then push firmly into the ground.
The trap should be in place from May, when the first generation of adults normally appear, and maintained through the flowering season from late May until September. Place the traps at the flowering height within the crop. The adults fly into the crop from hedgerows. Weedy paths are also a great habitat for the pest. 2 traps should be sufficient to monitor up to 2 hectares of a uniform site. More may be needed for sites with variable features. Lift the trap slightly and unscrew the bucket to view the contents. Check traps and renew water and detergent weekly. Keep the cross vanes clear of dirt and foliage and ensure the hole in the funnel is not blocked. The trap only catches the adults, as they are the flying stage. The lure will also attract the common green capsid. Lures should be stored in a refrigerator and changed every 4 weeks. Record your catches weekly. Spray for capsids 2 weeks after a trap catch of 10 adults per trap for outdoor crops, or if there is a steep rise in number. Spray within 7 to 10 days for a protected crop.